If you want to perform a Euro step in NBA 2K26 and time it perfectly, here's how you can do it. When driving toward the basket, pay attention to which side you are attacking from. If you're coming in from the left, move the right analog stick backward toward your left side. If you're coming from the right, move the stick backward toward your right side. As you drive in, double tap X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to perform the Euro step. But here's the key, don't just double tap quickly. After the first tap, hold on the second tap to control your release and get the right timing. If you simply double tap without holding, your shot will most likely end up being too early. So again, run in, double tap, hold and release at the right moment for a clean Euro step finish. If you need a visual guide, go to options, then controls and scroll all the way down to Euro step. You will see the move explained there. Move the stick left or right while double tapping X or square, or use the right stick in that direction to shoot. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.